Chapter number 4, Animal Kingdom, class Chondriochites. There are marine animals with streamlined body, means example of cartilaginous species for Scoliodon, Scoliodon and Pristis. Scoliodon and Pristis. This is a Scoliodon and this is a Pristis. These are animals for live in marine animals. This is streamlined body, clear, and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. This is a endoskeleton types, clear. Mouth. This mouth is located ventrally. This mouth is located for only ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Notochord. What is notochord? What is notochord? And persistent of throughout life means these most probably animals. For example, fish. This is a notochord animals. Clear? Persist for life, for personal protection. Gills slits are separate and without operculum. Gills with cover. This is a gills with cover types. Clear? The skin is tough, containing minute amount of placoid scale. This is a placoid scale. This is a placoid scale. Teeth are modified. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. And their jaws are very powerful. Most probably this fish, Scoliodon and Pristis, jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous. Main function of these animals, this is a predators. This is a attack of other animals for food. This is a predaceous animals. Clear? Others animals for depend. These words meaning due to the absence of air bladder and they have swim to avoid sinking. Clear? Sinking means this is absence of air means avoid sinking. And heart is divided by two chamber. Most IMP question, class of chondriochites, how many types of hearts chamber? Means two chamber. And first one auricle and second one ventricle. Some of them have electrical organs. Torpedo means this is a electrical organs. For example, torpedo. And some possess, this is a poison string. This is a trigon. In NEET and Gujarat MCQs, what is electric organs? Example of torpedo and poison string, it is a trigon. They are cold-blooded animals. For example, Poecilothermus animals, they have capacity to regulate their body temperature and sexes are separate for male and female. In this male, pelvic fins are bear claspers. Bear claspers means it is a strong. For example, strong bears. Claspers means for example, this is a claspers. Clear? They have internal fertilization and many of them are vivipairs. For ovipairs and vivipairs, it is a direct embryo development. Vivipairs means example of Scoliodon for dogfish. In NEET and Gujarat MCQs, example of chondriochites for dogfish, other name for Scoliodon. Sawfish, other name Pristis. Great white shark, Cracodon. Great white shark for Cracodon. And trigon, it is a stingray. Clear? Discuss for these 4 MCQs. First of all, MCQ, what is mouth is located For ventrally side, ventrally means this is a ventrally side, this is a posterior side, clear? And most of the notochord is present. Example of electric organs, example of poison string, example of cold-blooded animals, examples of class of chondriocytes. Clear? Thank you, student.